All right. Lovely. This is for Chris's Parklane, by the way. Gonna be disassembling these arms to prep and clean them, because there's all new stuff on the way. Because this baby wore out. After wiping down this arm, it appears they never really were rebuilt properly. They were just rattle canned over, which is kind of nasty. So now we got them nice and clean. We'll repaint them and then install the correct ball joints and not paint the ball joints or the hardware, right?
Yeah.
So it actually looks right.
Sure.
Leslie's over there wiping stuff down. They're all fresh out of the parts washer. Shout out to Paul for putting a parts washer in here. I feel like we're almost abusing the... What was that? Was there a piece of something up your butt?
Gooey stuff on my leg here.
Ooh. Well, whatever you're into. Ooh, Patronics. We need to put a Patronics in there, because that's still points. Points no good. Points go bye-bye. But that is correct. The right number. Distributor. Anyway, back to the arms where we were. I totally went squirrel. But there we are. Looking like $1 million, sir.
Oh, yeah. A little scuzzy on the inside, but
A little scuzz.
can't really reach it.
Yeah, it's a little hard to get in there. That looks good. A little wipe down, a little color after everything's pressed. We'll get those pressed and then we'll paint them. Look good. Gotta get those drums turned too. Take those to Victor. Take these to Victor. This baby's coming together. We're gonna get rid of that horrendous expansion tank. And then we had Gary over at Bob's went through the condenser for us, so we're gonna paint that here in the near future. All our fresh new hoses. Things are looking good.
I didn't even clean it properly.
When they painted.
Look at the scuzz on the inside. It's all painted over.
Yucky. Yuck, 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 yuck.